Hey there, AP students and parents. This is my weekly A Look Ahead video to give you a sneak peek for what you can expect for week 6 in AP European History. So our final week of September going into the first part of October, we will start on Monday with our Protestant Reformation test. That information has already been discussed. I've given out the test reminders. So make sure you check on those if you haven't already checked to see what you can focus on for this test, the format of the test, and how much time will be given for this test. Then we will start our brand new chapter on the new monarchs and exploration. That will start on Tuesday. So we'll be taking a lot of notes on that information, and then by Thursday, you'll have everything that you need for our first quiz on the new monarchs and exploration. It'll cover sections 1 and 2 of those typed outlines. And so Friday, the very end of our week, we will have our first major quiz on the new monarchs and exploration. So that's what you can expect for week 6 in AP European History. Let me know if you have any questions.